Welcome back to this section. So in this part, we will be looking at limit. So remember, we had gone with select and from, and now we would be having a shot at limit. So this was our previous query, and maybe we could already, use limit. So remember when we ran this query, what happened was when we ran this query, we essentially got a lot of rows. So we got a lot of rows. And this is the problem, right? Of course, if you are doing your analysis, maybe you just want to have a feel of the data, right? Now we have to bring out like 149, 1,000 rows. But maybe we're just interested in just having a feel of the data. We don't want to really see all the data. And so one good trick we could have used after fetch, we could have put like a limit 5. And so what this limit 5 will do is it will limit the number of rows. So it will just bring like, 5 rows, right? As long as we haven't, set the order, it's going to select just 5, random rows, and it will bring it back first, right? It will do all the calculations that we have selected here. But then, of course, it will just limit the 5 rows. Of course, we can still try this with another data set. So let's try. Let's look for another data set that basically works here. Which other data set could be interesting? So maybe we could use the geographical index, right? And because you're selecting just, 5 rows, it makes the query faster. So if you want to get like, a quick feel of the data and, you just want to see what the data looks like, right? You don't need to extract the whole database. You just need to extract just a few samples, like a limit of 10 or a limit of 10 or 5 or, 7 or thereabout, right? So if you notice here, we already selected from the geographical index and we limit by 5. And of course, it's bringing the 5 rows. If we increase this limit to 10, what happens is we'll bring 10 rows as well, right? Bring 10 rows. So the limit is essentially saying, okay, select this data from this table, but only bring 10 rows. Only bring 10 rows, essentially. And so in the next one, so since we have covered the select, from, and the limit, I think we're already moving pretty fast. We have 9 clauses. Essentially, we already have 3 covered. So the next one that we would be looking at is the where clause. The where clause. So let's meet at the next. Thank you.